ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। जय माँ everyone, welcome to this channel. Today let's make honey chili potatoes. You can have it with fried rice or whatever. So let's begin. Now again, today I don't have help, so I have to handle the camera myself. So please bear with me. Thank you. Switch on the gas. Take your pan. All measurements are in the description. So, oil. We are first making the sauce. Ginger, adrak julienne, mirchi as much as you want. They are not spicy. Then add capsicum. I've taken red and green. If you don't have red, सिर्फ green डालेंगे तो भी चलेगा. फिर मैंने क्या किया है, I've roasted till sesame seeds and kept it. So add that. Stir. Everything has to be ready, then it's very simple. Once this is done, now we have to go on adding all the sauces. So, this is soya. This is red chili sauce. Again, not spicy. Then add vinegar. Tomato ketchup. It's kind of over, but I have another bottle which I'll have to probably use. Pepper. Stir a little bit. Add salt. Stir. I shall add some light soya also. This is light soya sauce. I'm adding a little bit of that. Add Kashmiri chili powder. It's not spicy, just for color. Add sugar. Salt. No, I've added salt. So not again. I think I've done everything. Now we have to add a little bit of water. Fine. Add water. As much as you want, like the sauce we want. And once this comes to a boil, I've made the cornflour slurry. मतलब 1 चम्मच कॉर्नफ्लावर लीजिए और उसमें पानी डाल के उसका घोल बना दीजिए. Make a slurry. This is that. So then the sauce will be ready. And I will drop honey in this. It's honey chili potatoes, right? So इसमें honey डालिए. Stir. In the meantime, what I have done is, let it come to a boil, then I'll show you. See, this is potatoes which I have cut into like finger chips, you know. Chips जैसा मैंने काटा है. And then I boiled it in water with a little bit of salt, like 75% I boiled. And then उसको strain कर लीजिए. There should be no water in this. And I put just a little sprinkle of corn flour. इसमें डाल के ऐसे मैंने डाल के रखा है. We have to deep fry this in the batter, which I'll show you. Now see, this has come to a boil. So we add as much slurry as we need. And stir. इसमें आप celery भी डाल सकते हैं. मेरे पास celery नहीं था तो मैंने नहीं डाला है. But with the capsicum, you can chop celery if you have. That also tastes very good. And add it in this. Now see, ये thick हो रहा है because of the corn flour. Now it has thickened and we'll leave it aside. We'll switch off the gas and put it aside. So this step is over. Now I have to show you. I have made this batter. ये batter क्या है? Equal proportion of corn flour and maida, all-purpose flour. Take equal. If you take 1 chammach, then both are 1 spoons. Put a little black pepper in it. Baking powder in it, little bit, just a pinch, and water, and you make a batter so that when you have to dip the potatoes in this and deep fry them, so then your potatoes will be nice and crispy. So that is this batter. And a little salt also in it, in the batter. The oil is heating. I think it's heated. So dip your potato in the batter and start putting one in the batter. You can put all together also, it's fine. And just take out one and put it in. Put it on low medium flame. And deep fry it. I've taken tiny baby potatoes, so they are small chips. We don't want very big chips. Very long, then it's difficult to eat. I'm putting all in. I just taken 3-4 and they were tiny, so it was fine. So deep fry like this. All the potatoes have gone in. And let it become nice and golden. As this is frying, add a lot of chopped coriander in your sauce. I've chopped quite a bit. So add that and mix that. So the fragrance is very nice. And remember one thing, once you fry this, when you drop it in the sauce, immediately serve. Otherwise the crispiness will go away, it will become soggy. So remember that. Some of it is done. So I shall drop it in the sauce, whatever is done. See, nice and crispy. Once I drop everything, then I'll show you at close quarter. This was already 75% cooked, so you don't have to worry कि कच्चा है कि क्या है. कच्चा नहीं है क्योंकि it was cooked already. This is done. Switch off your flame. This must be hot. Not so much. Shift this. And I shall show you this. ये देखा? It looks so yummy. I've taken less of potatoes, because I didn't want more. That's why. And then I have saved some sesame seeds. तिल मैंने सेव करके रखा है. So just drop it on top. Decorate it. And your honey chili potato is ready to eat, and it will taste very good with fried rice or something like that, if you make it. So try it and let me know. You can add some chillies on top just to make it look nice, some ginger julienne like this. See, this is honey chili potatoes. You saw what I did. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Ma. Jai Ma everyone. I'll see you in the next video.